All right, so we're looking at number 20, which is another rate problem. All right, number 20. Okay, so number 20, sorry, not a rate, not a rate problem. I meant a variation problem. Okay, so number 20 is a variation problem. Okay, so the amount of gasoline, the amount of gallons of gasoline a car uses varies directly with how many miles it travels. So we know about that, the amount of gas car uses. So this is direct variation. So miles per gallon. All right, so we know about that miles per gallon thing. So a car uses 15 gallons of gasoline for traveling 400 miles. All right, so we have 15 gallons of gasoline for 400 miles. So that this is 15 gallons of gasoline for 400 miles. Just to make the problem easier, I'm going to let the X be gallons, and I'm going to let the miles be Y. All right, just easier to calculate. So what we have here is Y is equal to KX. We're talking about direct variation. So it travels for 15 gallons, you get 400 miles. So Y is equal to KX. So that means that 400 is equal to K times 15, right? So that means 400 over 15 is equal to K. I'm going to leave my answer as a fraction because this 15 doesn't go into 400 evenly. But we can simplify. So we can divide this by 5. We can divide this by 5. And so we are going to get that K is equal to 80 over 3. All right, so K is 80 over 3. We're going to need that information. And so now they ask us, how many gallons of gasoline will you need if you travel 550 miles? So again, Y is the number of miles. You can see here, X is the number of gallons. And so what we have here is we're given a certain number of miles. So 550 is now going to be equal to, so Y is equal to KX. So 550 is going to be equal to 80 over 3 times X. Trying to solve for X. So now we know how if you're trying to solve a multiplication problem, you have to divide, right? So that means that X is going to be 550 divided by 80 over 3. It's going to do key change flip, so KCF. So that's going to be 550 times 3 over 80. You do that, you're going to get some value. So let's do that on my calculator. 550 times 3 divided by 80. That's going to give me 165 over 8, which is approximately, well, not approximately, but exactly 20.625. If I did it correctly. All right, so the amount of gasoline that you're going to get is going to be 20.625 gallons. of gasoline for 550 miles. Don't assume because we have a decimal there's anything wrong with the problem. Decimal is a number too. Decimal fractions are also numbers, and that's our answer. All right, so again, if you have any problems, I would suggest just rewind the video, watch it.